Well, everybody, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Titania Binti from Universitas Islam Madura. The second debater for the motion is the House would ban all production and consumption of meat. For this motion, I'm so agree because as we have known together that if the government didn't ban the production of product, it will make many product that production will be dangerous for us as the society. And for the production, as we have known, many house that produce a product that didn't think about the impact for us as the consumption, like many food or many product that contain of many dangerous material like alcohol, cigarette, and etc. And for the consumption, that usually consume like cigarette, if didn't emphasized by the government, for example, like no limitation in the age that can consume a cigarette, it will be very dangerous for us as teenager, because as we have known that cigarette has many bad impact for us as the consumer. And for another one, a good food or a healthy food, I think for this one, the government didn't need to give the limitation of the production. Because of why? Because healthy food, which is content of many vitamin, it have many good impact for us as the consumer. And for the society. And for the government, I think that for emphasize the consumer, if only the government who make the law, but the society didn't join the law, it's useless, I think. So as a teenager, when we consume some product or some food, we have to think before, what is the impact for us? What is the impact for our body? Like when we wanna consume alcohol, maybe before we drink it, we have to think, what is the impact for us? Is that good for me? Is that good for my health? Because as we have known that us as teenagers, we are teenagers that will continue the development of our country. So if the teenager didn't consume a healthy food or a dangerous food, and that will get the impact for our body, in the future we will get many disease. And if we get many disease, we will not be focused to develop our country. And for another one, the government have make a law that contain of a production of product, which is the producer that product something have to be halal. Like in Indonesia, if the product contain of meat of pig, it is forbidden, because as we have known that the society of Indonesia, most of the society of Indonesia are Muslim, and we are Muslim, forbidden to eat that. So the government make the law. And for another one, a danger food, it really make us as teenager get bad impact later. As even as teenagers, of course, I like I like a danger food like seblak, like what is we call usually that sell in the roadside, and as we have known that food not good for us, but we still eat that because maybe it very nice or it very cheap for us as teenager that mostly didn't have much money. But even if we know the impact, we still eat that. Why? Because in this country, all good food mostly are expensive, and we are as teenagers didn't have much money for buy it. So food in roadside even it dangerous because it's nice and it's so cheap, we consume it. And for the other, for the bad food, for danger food like narcotica, like alcohol, it's really make us in a bad condition. For example, if we consume alcohol in one moment, it is very important for us. It will make our moment really bad, in a bad condition. Why? As we have known together that alcohol is a content of many dangerous things that make us didn't consider at the time. So because of that, when we wanna consume a bad food or a dangerous food, we have to think before. It is the right moment. What is the impact for me? It is good for me. So as teenager, let's choose the best one for our future, like choose the best food for us, because we don't know what will happen in the future later. So if we try to consume a healthy food, of course maybe in the future we will not get many disease that will make our future, that will not disturb our future. And for the other consumption, like a food that contain of many MSG, as we know that MSG it's if we consume it too much, it will make our brain didn't work goodly. So when we wanna consume something or food, so we can look what is the content of this food, what is the impact later, and banning all the consumption for all food, I think it's good. Why? Because in this country, not all family, not all people get same earn. So if we ban the consumption of healthy food, we can give another healthy food to another family that really need it without paying. Because as we have known that many family that get bad condition because they cannot buy healthy food for them. So as the government, if you wanna ban the production of healthy food, it can be, but you can give another healthy food to people or family who really need it. Because yes, as I have said before, that many healthy food usually are more expensive than a danger food. So you can make a law that this food is good but it's too expensive. So you can make a limitation of the production of this or the consumption of this. So another who cannot consume this healthy food, you can give it without paying or another. And for the other, many danger food that make a disease for us. that like cancer, like diarrhea, like another who that can make our body in a danger situation. And for the other one, if we consume danger food always, it's when we get sick, it will be difficult to be obtained. Like when, for example, we are teenagers, we are usually consume a danger food, and it's make our body in a bad condition, and we get sick at the time. We need many money, right, to make our body back healthy. So as teenagers, be smart